For employees who want a temporary challenge with a predetermined end date, one of these temporary assignments might work for them. Job tryouts and project work are self explanatory. Employee exchanges allow organizations to exchange their employees. They typically work in similar positions, but they have the opportunity to work in a new work environment with new people. Sabbaticals allow people to take a break from their typical job responsibilities and focus on a new skill or a new project, sometimes completely unrelated to their typical work. Some professors, for example, take sabbaticals every few years to focus on their research. Voluntary assignments involve volunteer work. Employees develop a specific skill by giving back to their communities.